called terrifying. Join me as we explore the modern machines that accompany and challenge human metal in every dramatic moment. In the deep Nambi forest, a chainsaw worker takes on a huge challenge, cutting down a massive tree trunk that hangs like a steel wall. Each cut echoes with power, mixed with the smell of tree resin and the roar of the engine. This is a moment of crystallization of strength and experience. You will be overwhelmed by this power. The 330 Excavator is equipped with a specialized stump cutter that can easily uproot and crush large stumps in the blink of an eye. The sturdy handle and sharp rotating blade combine to create an impressively powerful and efficient performance. The perfect combination of modern design and engineering has created the Mever SLH 1200 wood peeler, a truly innovative product. The machine operates smoothly with a sharp blade that glides easily over the wood, leaving a smooth, perfect surface. Facing the hanging log is a life and death challenge. The worker holds the chainsaw. Each cut resounds as if waking up the whole forest. One small mistake, the giant block of wood can crush everything. This is a moment that requires courage, experience, and absolute concentration. Comptech Crambo enters the game like a real steel monster. With a twin-shaft crushing system and tremendous torque, stubborn roots are swallowed and shredded in the blink of an eye. The roar of metal and the explosive power create a powerful and dramatic destruction. Efficient, powerful, and extremely impressive. The Komatsu 911 woodworking machine, with its powerful motor and impressive horsepower combined with the C123, makes for a truly spectacular sight. The roar of the engine echoes as the machine cuts through the wood, turning each piece into a perfect product with absolute precision. Stihl MS-881, the world's most powerful chainsaw designed to tackle massive timbers. Each cut combines maximum power with absolute precision. The roar is resounding, sawdust flies, confirming the superior strength of a mechanical legend. The Kobelco SK-200-5 unleashed its power like a steel warrior in the middle of the oil palm field. The hydraulic arm extended, the iron pincers clenched, crushing each giant tree stump, all creating a powerful and decisive performance. The sound of saws echoed through the old forest as the giant Moranti fell in a cloud of dust. The skilled worker made each cut firmly and decisively, as if drawing the final line for the giant tree. The moment was both dramatic and overwhelming with human strength. The industrial saw roared, swallowing the huge, rough block of cottonwood like a monster. The sharp steel blade slashed rapidly, turning the rough trunk into straight planks. Sawdust flew. The sound was loud, demonstrating absolute precision and efficiency. For trees downed by storms, a chainsaw is the most effective solution. With its powerful and precise cutting ability, it can handle large trees, making storm cleanup faster and safer than ever. Can't help but be impressed by the power of the Timberjack 1470D, a giant machine designed like a steel warrior. With its extraordinary durability and outstanding performance, it not only handles the job with ease, but also redefines the standards of the modern woodworking industry. In addition, the Unif Titan 4 02040-inch chainsaw with its powerful engine and superior power easily cuts through large blocks of lost wood. The sharp 40-inch saw blade ensures precise and fast cutting, perfect for heavy logging jobs, providing optimal efficiency in production. The Wolf 8000 shows off its power as it tears through the ground, creating trenches up to 8 feet deep and over 4 feet wide. Equipped with a 440 horsepower Cat C15 engine and load-sensing hydraulic system, it ensures absolute precision in pipe placement, superior power, and efficiency. The Ditch Witch R T185 is a powerful heavy-duty trencher powered by a 185 horsepower diesel engine. It is designed to handle plumbing, electrical, and underground utility installations with precision, superior performance, and continuous duty. Oh no, check out the Double XL oak chopping portable chainsaw. It looks simple, but it cuts through those logs unbelievably smoothly. With its powerful performance and exceptional durability, it delivers the job done day in and day out. The moment the truck carrying the logs was about to tip over, things got tense. The enormous weight of the logs, combined with the rough terrain, caused the vehicle to lose balance. The powerful machine was trying to hold on, but the loss of control threatened a dangerous situation. Moving overloaded trucks on the streets of Medan is extremely stressful. With the excess weight, the vehicle has difficulty moving through the narrow and crowded streets. Traffic congestion and safety risks make the situation even more complicated. In the woodworking industry, the new generation of Viseliner is a breakthrough solution for stripping bark with an exclusive system, protecting the wood body intact. Versatile equipment for use in the forest or factory, operated by electricity or tractor, bringing outstanding efficiency. The large capacity truck is loaded with tightly packed oak logs, combined with a modern lifting system, quickly handling large volumes of wood, ensuring outstanding efficiency and speed.